Recently, Russia has launched work on a next-generation multirole helicopter designed to replace the long-serving Mi-8 17's HIP series, according to Russian defense industry sources. The new platform, designated Mi-80, is expected to build on the Mi-171A3 design, but with key upgrades, including advanced rotor blades and more powerful engines. The program's stated goals include reducing production costs, consolidating manufacturing at Kazan Helicopter Plant and Ulan-Ude Aviation Plant, and increasing maximum takeoff weight to 14 tons. The Mi-80 is envisioned as the primary replacement for all Mi-8 helicopters by 2030. The helicopter will feature a state-of-the-art onboard avionics suite capable of automatic and manual operation both day and night, including over terrain lacking visual landmarks, Russian defense industry officials told local media. Innovations in the Mi-80 include a reinforced fuselage built with extensive use of polymer composite materials. The redesigned rotor system features a high-efficiency X-shaped tail rotor and composite main rotor blades with improved aerodynamic performance. Crash-resistant fuel tanks have been positioned in the lower fuselage compartments beneath the cargo passenger cabin floor to enhance safety. The Mi-8 HIP, introduced in the 1960s, has become one of the most widely used helicopters in history, serving in both military and civilian roles across dozens of countries. Replacing this iconic workhorse presents both engineering and logistical challenges for the Russian defense industry, which is already under pressure from sanctions and resource constraints. If completed as planned, the Mi-80 would represent Russia's effort to modernize its helicopter fleet and maintain production lines at two of its major rotary wing facilities. Few aircraft in the history of aviation have achieved the level of reliability and global presence that the Mi-8 17 series enjoys. Originally introduced in the 1960s by the Moscow helicopter plant, the Mi-8 and its export variant Mi-17 have served in more than 80 countries across every continent. Over 17,000 units have been produced, making it one of the most widely used helicopters in the world. However, with the changing character of modern warfare, operational challenges, and technological evolution, the need for a more capable, modular, and survivable platform has become clear. Enter the Mi-80, which aims to inherit the legacy of the Mi-8 17s while stepping into the future with advanced avionics, propulsion, and combat readiness. The Mi-80 project, now under the supervision of Russian Helicopters, a subsidiary of Rostec, is part of a broader strategy to overhaul Russia's military aviation fleet. Early design blueprints indicate that the Mi-80 will be a medium-lift, multi-purpose helicopter with a modular configuration suitable for transport, medical evacuation, electronic warfare, and combat support. The Mi-80 is expected to play a central role in Russia's future battlefield mobility, capable of operating in both low-intensity counterinsurgency environments and high-intensity peer conflicts. With increased emphasis on electronic warfare resistance, drone swarm countermeasures, and network-centric warfare, the helicopter is being designed with adaptability and digital integration at its core. Its modular structure will allow commanders to rapidly convert it from troop transport to medical evacuation, command and control, or even gunship configuration, critical for modern hybrid warfare scenarios. In addition, the Mi-80's development is aligned with Russia's defense doctrine of strategic autonomy, reducing reliance on imported components and maintaining full domestic production capabilities. Rostec has confirmed that all key systems, including engines, avionics, and armaments, will be 100% Russian-made, ensuring independence from foreign sanctions or supply chain disruptions. While the Mi-80 remains in the prototype and early testing phase, insiders within Russian helicopters have hinted at a maiden flight as early as 2026, with series production to begin by 2028. The program is currently undergoing wind tunnel testing and structural mock-up evaluations, with preliminary avionics integration already underway. Importantly, the Mi-80 is expected to serve side by side with the Mi-38, another modern Russian transport helicopter, for certain missions. However, while the Mi-38 occupies a heavier payload class, the Mi-80 is designed to offer greater tactical flexibility, speed of deployment, and modularity, filling the crucial medium-lift gap for rapid response units, airborne forces, and special operations. Beyond its military implications, the Mi-80 development represents a vital boost to Russia's aerospace manufacturing sector, particularly in the face of Western sanctions. It brings new contracts and investment into domestic factories, research centers, and testing facilities. The project also opens up opportunities for export partners, especially those in Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, who have long relied on the Mi-8's platform. By offering a modern, interoperable successor with backward-compatible support, Russia is strategically positioning the Mi-80 as a global helicopter solution for the next several decades. The Mi-80 is not merely a successor to the Mi-8's. It is a symbol of Russia's commitment to aerospace innovation and military self-sufficiency. In preserving the core strengths of its iconic predecessor, ruggedness, versatility, and reliability, while incorporating 21st-century technologies, the Mi-80 stands poised to become the new workhorse of Russian rotary aviation. As global geopolitical tensions rise and the importance of air mobility increases, the Mi-80 will likely play a decisive role in Russia's future defense posture, supporting both strategic and tactical operations across diverse theaters. The development of this helicopter is yet another testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and forward-thinking of Russian aerospace engineering, one that bridges the heritage of the past with the demands of tomorrow's battlefield.